Welcome to EduRISE channel. This is 15 minutes challenge day 18 and we are going to also learn something new every day. What's today? Let's see. We have still chapter 3 Graphical Excellence in Excel, Cyber Quest, Kips Learning, Grade 7. We have seen Excel charts in the previous video and we are going to learn something new that is about robo.in. So let's get started with the 15 minutes challenge. All right. So here we go. First, let's talk about what's learning new today. We have, yes, in the Google, when you type robu.in, you will come to this website where you will see many electronic project parts that are available. You can also go for PCB manufacturing, 3D printing, laser cutting, custom battery pack, and apart from that, you can able to get parts like drone, 3D printers, sensors and modules, electronic components, development boards such as Arduino boards, all the items you can easily get. And the fun thing here, you can also have DIY and maker kits. You will have all the components in that. You have to just plug, play, and use. It will be very much fun and exciting to do. It will be very helpful for you to do for your school projects. See, these are many different robots that are designed that is readily available in the kit, and this is one stop for you to shop for your electronic projects. If you are doing some science project in your school or college, please do check out these websites and you will find very cool many different items that you can purchase very easily. Even if it is not available physically in the shops, you can able to get it, order it by robo.in. Please do check out. Now let's continuing with the chapter. We have started with third chapter, Graphical Excellence in Excel, and we have already talked about how to create chart, components of chart. There are 9 components. We have commonly used charts such as column, bar, line, pizza and burger. Pie and donut, not pizza and burger. Right. We have also seen how to create a chart in simple 3 steps and how to design and style it by 2 more steps. Changing data range and legends, adding chart elements. Please do check out the previous video where you can see all these things that we have already discussed. In today's class, we are going to continue with this types of chart, that is combo chart. Right. So let's open the folder. We have already created a folder and we are going to continue from here. So this was the combo chart we have created. Combo is like you can have or you can mix multiple charts in one chart. So here I have a column chart and there is a line chart. So with the help of this line and column chart, I can make a combo chart. Now here if you see, let's say if I am changing some values here, 3000 something, let's say 3500, and let's keep it as 5000. The more you change, right, the graph will change. So this line is representing profit per unit and this graph column is about units sold, and we have this x-axis, that is category axis, about product. Right, so we have already created combo chart. Next, go with the next topic, that is, we are done with this, spark lines. Spark lines is a mini chart where you can add the chart in the cell itself. Now, as we have already taken this tabular column, We already have created this table in the Excel sheet. Let's see how I can just use this sparkline chart, which are available in three forms. I can use these three types of sparklines. One is line, the other one is column, and the third one is win or loss. So by using these three sparklines mini charts, you can able to insert small chart within the cell itself. Now let's do that and apply it. So for that, the steps. First step is you have to click on the insert tab. Second step, there at the corner you will see spark lines. So you will be clicking on any of the options from this spark line groups, and then you will able to just select the cells. I mean, it will ask you what content that you want to keep in the sparkline and the destination where the location should be available. So this is four steps that we are going to do. The last step will be just press OK button, and we are going to see this sparkline chart that are visible now. So let's do this by selecting these tabular column. So going to the Excel sheet, let me just move this chart. Okay, undo. I'll just move this tabular column a bit, and let's add this spark lines here. Let's keep this same as here. Next, I want to keep the border of this, and now we are going to go with first steps. Click on insert, and here you will see spark line, right? Now in this we have three options: line, column, and win loss. You can go with either of three options. Let's first go with line as given in the textbook. Now here we have to first choose the data range from which you want to design this spark line. So I have chooses this. Next, it is asking to choose where the spark lines are to be placed. Now this spark line are to be placed. I want it to be from here till here. So this is the range I have kept. If you observe, there is a dollar symbol before D to D8. We already have talked about uh, relative reference, absolute reference, and mixed reference. Please go with the active recall. I think you know what active recall is. Active recall is something that you are recalling the topic which you have already studied, so that the brain will recall and store it in the permanent memory. So if you have not like know about these cell references, please do check out the previous video. I have already explained about cell references of chapter 2. So this dollar symbol is absolute at references where the address location will not change. So rest, click on OK, and this is the chart. So these are the spark line. This is to show from first value to the next value, what is the change? Is it inclining upwards, or is it declining, or is it straight? So just if you see, this is straight going to, from bottom to the top, that means it is increasing. Whereas if you see, this is something which is decreasing in nature. So first value you have 19, the second value you have something of 15. So this is actually showing you. So as you can change this, you will see how sharp it is. Like you can able to observe the increase and decrease of the values. So this is spark lines. So we are done. Let me just show you the steps again, how quickly we can insert this spark. So we have got this output. Let me do it again. We will remove this back. Not from here, I'll just remove these things. I'll do it again for you. It is in insert line. I am not able to delete it. Let's undo it. Yes. All right. So first step is we have to click on insert, and then you have to search for spark lines. You will have three types of spark lines that are available. First is line, the other one is column, the third one is win and loss. Now you can choose any of these three as per your data. Now here we are going with the line option. Now here it will ask you for two things. First is data range, that means for which data you want the spark line to be kept in the cell. The second one is where the spark lights ought to be placed, at what location, the cell numbers. So after placing these cell numbers, just click OK. You will able to see these lines. And here also, if you see, there are many more features that are available. Now these spark lines, you can change the color of this one. You can change, these are the different colors of those marker colors are there, how you want to highlight it, and first point, last point, if you want to keep high points, low points, navigate negative points, marker, right? So these are different options that you can do it on the sparklines. So this shows you how we are going to uh, analyze the data. Now here in the edit, you can also go for editing these things. So this is what sparkline is. Now, next thing we have is sorting. Sorting data. Sort is arranging. Arranging either in ascending order or in descending order. Anything that you want to sort in the worksheet. It can be a text, it can be numbers, right? So you can just arrange those things in simple steps. Now, well, let's see how we are going to do that. We have steps here. First, on the data type tab, we have to click on this data tab, and then there will be sort option, sort and filter. So you need to have a tabular column first, and this tabular column, you can sort it from ascending order to or the descending order. So you will be getting this option which row or column that you want to sort, then you can just go for sorting that. Click on OK, and the data will be sorted either ascending, that is A to Z, or in descending, Z to A. Smallest to largest or largest to smallest. If it is alphabets, in the sense text, then it will arrange in alphabetical order. If it is numbers, then it arranges in ascending and descending order. Right, now let's do that. We already have a table column. Let's do that to this table itself. Let's say this is my text. Now, if I want to arrange this text in ascending order, what you will do? You will go with data tab. Let's see, where is the data tab? We have this data tab. Now, in this data tab, you can see sort and filter. Sorting means arranging. Now, when you click on this, you will have two options, sort A to Z or sort Z to A. A to Z is lowest to highest and Z to A is highest to lowest. Now, let's go with first A to Z. This can't be applied to the selected range. Select a single cell in a range and try again. Okay, let's select this one and do it again. All right, see, previously there was keyboard, then the other options were there. Now, as you can see, the data, the text that is there in the product have been arranged in ascending order, in alphabetical order. So you get C first, then H, then K, M, N, S. So this is how you are going to sort. Now, if you have numbers, let's say these are numbers and you want to arrange these numbers, this is automatically, this is already in order, but this is not in order. Let's select this one. So what I'll do, I'll just go with A to Z. Now this A to Z is not telling you just about alphabets, but also to the numbers also, lowest to highest. Now click on this. See, you can easily see that all the numbers have been arranged in an order. And in that case, if you have observed, now these letters are not in order because with respect to data, the content of that particular data will also be changing. So you see that the whole of this will change in the order of these what you are arranging. So in that case, if CPU unit sold over 478, then profit per unit 1300. It will be same itself. Uh-oh. Oh, we are done with 15 minutes challenge. Okay, let's stop. So I was telling you like the numbers that you have arranged in order will be arranging the whole table, not only just that cell or column, but it will rearrange the whole table so that the relative cells can be placed properly. Now, if you see here CPU 478 1300, this was the same number. I'll just undo. I don't want to sort now. See CPU 478 1300. So with respect to this data that you are arranging, that the whole table will also be like moved. The rows will be moved accordingly. All right, so we are done with 15 minutes. That's it for today's class. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment box. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you. Bye bye. Please don't forget to subscribe.